So this is a public service announcement that whenever you see someone posting about the job description, basahin maigi. I-research yung pangalan ng company. Do your due diligence. Because for example, may nag-post, we are looking for VA. Of course, ina-expect natin yung may mga clients, yung work from home jobs na nakikita natin dito sa TikTok at saka sa Facebook. But if you look closely, it says virtual associate, and guys, that is networking. Maiinis pa sana ako nung una, kaya lang naisip ko, you know what, this would be a good learning experience para doon sa mga aspiring freelancers, those who wants to start working from home. Because clearly, ang sabi dito, looking for VA virtual associate, naghahanap ka ba ng part-time lang, and they want people to think na ito ay trabaho, and it's not. It's networking. So magbabayad kayo ng, I believe it's 10,500. But before they even tell you about it, pa-attendan muna nila kayo ng 2 hours of seminar, at pagkatapos, puro lang sa wins nila, syempre ma-attract yung ibang tao because papakitaan kayo ng magagarang kotse, mga bagong bahay, maraming pera, cheque, ganyan. And you know what? To each his own. Kung yan yung trip nilang gawin, sige, go ahead. But again, guys, educate yourselves, educate your family, your friends, na if hindi pa-networking ang gusto niyo, talaga naghahanap kayo ng trabaho as freelancers or virtual assistant, na VA din ang ang letters. Isipin mo ng maigi kasi networking is totally different from freelancing and working from home. Yun lang. Bye.